We have 74. I wanted 74 for the day because it's 74 years since Dad bought the first one in 1950. So I wanted one for every year we've had Masseys. So hence the number 74. There's all sorts of stories with that one. Some say there was 4 bought here, some 6, some 8. So how many, we really don't know. But very few brought to Australia. Once again, made in America. And that's with the original black and white seat from America. That's how the Yanks had them, with a black and white seat. This is the biggest of the 1000 series, 1150. 510 V8, 145 horsepower. Once again, the black and white seat from America. Row crop model. It's got row crop mudguards and adjustable front end by the bolts in the front end for row crop work. Very sought after tractor. But that 1100 there, it's got a little cage on it. Little door. They'd be laying in sheds everywhere because farmers took them off and threw them in the shed because they were a pain. I don't know what their thinking was there, but yeah, little door to get in. They're only on the Western models without the adjustable, no holes in that front end to adjust your track with. They weren't on the row crop models. They're hard to find them with doors. This one's been in the collection probably 4 years. It was pretty good when we bought it. Implements are going to be next. Yeah. All the old Ferguson stuff first. Ferguson ploughs, saw benches, whatever they made. Yeah, just in the Ferguson line. And then once we achieve that, then we'll go to the Massey implements. That harvester has only done 1,500 hours since new. Very early harvester, still got sunshine on it. It come from Oakey. Open station, no cab. We've had this for 12 months in the collection. It was bought like that. All it's done is had a clean. Original canvas on the trash worker at the back. Very, very clean harvester, they tell me. Runs beautiful, got a 248 Perkins engine. That's a 102 cane harvester. They were made in Bundaberg in Queensland. Assembled, I presume. A lot of parts bought from Adelaide to Bundaberg to be assembled. They would be getting scarce now on properties, but some of the cane farmers love them because when they use them for cutting billet cane to plant, apparently every billet is identical length. That's powered by a 6354 Perkins. That was cut and cane 12 months ago. As you can see, it hasn't been through the workshop. Very, very original. Yeah, tomorrow this one's open to the public. Whoever wants to come, wherever from, all welcome. There's a big shed that's got food, music, entertainment. Oh, I just hope people come and have an enjoyable day and see what we've achieved.
You've got some collectors coming, you think they might be trying to buy some of these machines off you? What are the chances of that happening?
Oh yes, there'll be people wanting to buy the scarce ones we got here, but nothing's for sale. That old saying that everything's for sale at a price, that doesn't apply here. Nothing's for sale. Next chapter is going to open a Massey Ferguson museum. Yeah, that'll be open to the public once we get that all underway. Pretty proud of it, I suppose, from where we've started to where we are now. It's just all about preserving them more than anything, and for future generations to see really what was out there way back.